Hey beautiful people, welcome back to this tutorial of how to download and install Epic Game Launcher on Windows. So let's get started. Open your browsing app and then type in Epic Games. Here, click the first link that says Home Epic Games. This kind of interface will be shown to your desktop and we will go to this Get Epic Games. So now you have to wait till this Epic Games installer will be downloaded. After downloading Epic Games, the next step would be installing it to your desktop. So let's open this. So here you can also change your destination file. So by default it is set to this program files. I'm gonna leave it to that and press install. This might take a while for downloading and verification, so bear with me. After your installation is completed, it will look something like this. Press finish. Here you can sign in with all these given options, and if you don't have an Epic Game account, then you have to go here and sign up. And you can choose where you want to sign up with. So that will be the end of today's video. Do comment down below what video you would like to see next, and we will see you soon. Thank you for watching.